This is the beginning of experiment 4. Okay, I'm gonna go in, open Go in. You can see up here that I already did a bunch of experiments, so I'm just in a new project, FPGA, or you can go up here, you can hit new FPGA design project. Yes, I'm gonna name it file number, project number 4. So it's gonna be project number 4 for me. For you guys, it might be something different. So I'm gonna choose the right board. Okay, speed, this one. Okay, next, finish. Okay, before I start anything, I'm gonna go. Okay, once I do that, I'm gonna go to my files. Right, I'm gonna go down to documents. Okay, you see how every time I start a new project, it creates a folder for me. Okay, right now I'm working on FPGA project number 4. In my documents, it's gonna create a new folder for me, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go to SRC, right, and I'm gonna copy the codes. I'm gonna copy the codes from here. Okay, the hardware from here. Experiment number 4 codes. I already have them downloaded. So I'm gonna go down to my downloads here. So I'm gonna copy these. Control all. Copy. And then, am I in the right folder? Okay, SRC. And then I'm gonna hit paste. Right. So these are my files. Right. Let me go back one. Then I'm gonna go and copy the Go and pin assignments. So you're gonna go to Go and pin assignments, which is gonna be under helpful codes. I already downloaded that, so I'm gonna go to my downloads, helpful codes, open the file, FPGA. It's gonna be right here. Go and pin assignment. Copy that one. Actually, at some point I'm gonna need this one too. Anyway, I'm gonna go back. Root file. Okay, and then I'm gonna paste it there. So remember, this folder, every time you create a new project, in your documents folder, it's gonna automatically create one of these folders. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, about 5 of them. This is gonna be your root directory. These are all my root directories for all the projects that I started on Going. Right now, I'm working on project number 4, which is pretty much the project that we're doing. Is just the 4th time that I've done it. Okay, so I'm gonna minimize that, go back into Going. Okay, go back into Going. Okay, here. Actually, let me pull up the instructions so I can follow on this other screen that isn't being recorded. Okay, so copied all my codes. The next thing, I copied my Go and pin assignments, and I copied the experiment codes. Both of those codes into my root directory. Okay, I've done that. So that's as far as I've gotten. Right. Okay. Just looking at something on the other screen. Okay, now I'm gonna go in, hit here. New file or add files, right? SRC. Boom. Verilog file. These are my Verilog files, right? Now, new file. Select Verilog. Click OK. Okay, and now I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna name it top, and hit OK. There we go. Now, what I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna go to sample. So let's go here. I'm gonna show you guys something. It's in my downloads, right? So when we downloaded helpful codes, downloads, helpful codes, it's gonna be this one here. I'm not gonna be able to open it. So anyway, shoot. Okay. I had to power up my virtual machine, so I had to just real quick pause the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go to actually my script editor, text editor. Okay, so that sample top V file, right? Okay, this file here, it's in my downloads from helpful codes. Okay, this file here, I wasn't able to open it. I can't open it with Windows. But what I'm gonna do is drag it onto my Ubuntu. This is gonna take a while. Oh, come on. Alright, you know, this is what I'll do instead. I'm gonna go to Firefox. Ask me later. CAD for assurance. Now this is a good way to open files that you can open with Windows. For example, files that need to be opened with script editor. This is a good way to open them. Okay, you can use Ubuntu. Okay, so it was under helpful codes. Okay, we're gonna open that. Yes, this one, sample top V. So now I'm gonna hit Control All, right click, copy, go back to go in, right? So remember that, and then let me just open the instructions real quick so I can follow step by step on my other screen. Okay. It reads step number 10 is it is highly recommended to copy the sample top V inside the helpful codes.zip file to the module below. This ensures the pin assignments format to the correct port names in this file. The module below is slightly modified version of the sample top V file. Do not use the exact Verilog code below. You need to instantiate the DES module similar to the code below. Anyway, so we're here. I'm gonna hit copy, paste, boom. Okay. Now I'm gonna go synthesize the circuit. Go over to this side. Right click on. Hover over synthesize or syntheses. Hit run. Okay. Boom. Completed. What is this? Output. The mod has no driver. Let's do it again. Run. Running netlist conversion. Huh. Okay. Okay. Change the left side bar to hierarchy tab. Okay. What the fuck? And run. Okay. Run. Change. So we're going back, I guess, to hierarchy. Oh, we'll go over to the hierarchy. And then right click on top and select as top module. So right here. I'll right click on this one and select as top, set as top module. Okay. Switch back to the process. Right click on the floor planner and select run. Click yes when it prompts to create a CTS. Okay. Run. Okay. Floor planner. Run. This project doesn't include a seat. You want to create a default one. Click OK. Okay. Now okay, now in the floor panel window, click File, Open, and then you're gonna go in the file. This one here, you're gonna put the Go In pin assignments. Now remember, I said you're gonna go to your root file, your root directory. This one, open, boom. Implement. And then you're gonna go with this one and this one. Yours might look a little bit different. The last file there, open. Then the part number is gonna be okay, and then hit okay. There we go. Pin assignments is done. Okay. On the floor planner, you're gonna go to the after that you're gonna go hit File, Save As. Experiment. Navigate to experiment 4. Well, mine's is gonna be that, and then experiment by 4 SRC. That and save. Okay. Save as. Anyway, review the pin assignments below. So What's up, homie? Give me a second. Okay, so after that, after you do all that, you're gonna go over to after you synthesize it, hit run. Okay. I don't know why I got that message. Clean and rerun all. Okay. So I'm gonna hit run down on program device. No USB connection. Gonna put the USB B back in the J14. Let me do this over again. Right click, run. There we go. Save. And program my board. So there the board is now programmed. And then you can proceed with using the oscilloscope, which I'll show you now. Tools. I'll do that on